Hey everybody, Tim here, Ram Marine, and today we're talking about our large seat pod. Now this seat pod is manufactured here in Melbourne, Australia by Ram Fiberglassing, our sister company. The beauty about this large seat pod is its versatility. It's our most versatile pod in our range. And the reason why we say it's versatile is because you get a lot of different options in the way you want to set it up. So when we're looking at ordering a large seat pod, we want to take into consideration what we want to use it for. Are we going to be using it for a lot of esky space, a live bait tank, or are we wanting more dry storage? Because this will change and alter which one we want to purchase. So what we'll do today is we'll have a look at your different options and we'll have a little bit of a discussion about the large seat pod itself. So this is made from quality fiberglass, white gel coat surface on the outside, plus a grey and black spec float coat on the inside. All hardware is 316 stainless steel, and we also have a lid seal around the front here as well to seal the lid off. All our seat pods come with an installation pan, which you can see the screws here down the bottom. We have another video on our website if you want to watch how they're installed. All our pods utilise that system. With a large seat pod, you get a couple of different options in the way you can divide them out. The large seat pod here, you can divide through here horizontally, through this direction here, or you can divide it here vertically. And what that does is it alters the space inside the pod. If you're using this pod for a live bait tank or an esky, you would want to put a horizontal divider in it. When you order a pod which has, say, a round hatch up the top, we automatically put a horizontal divider in there for you. If you were to order the pod with a rectangle hatch or a cutout on the side like so, we would automatically put a vertical divider in this area also for you as well. We also have the option of a 2-drawer tackle box going in up the top here, which would have a horizontal divider through here as well. When we go to insulate the pod, we do that with 15mm foam, and that is done in the manufacturing process. The beauty about this is that once we put the foam in, we can fiberglass over the top of it to make it puncture proof. So if you're deciding on whether or not you want a foamed pod, you need to think about how long you want to keep ice for. I have a lot of people say to me, oh, I'm looking to keep ice for a day. If that's the case, you don't need to insulate your pod. If you're going out for 2 to 3 days, I would look to insulate your pod then. But the normal thermal properties and the reflective surface is good enough to store ice for a day. Now with our pods itself, like I said, they all utilise our insulation pan. I will lift the pod up. And you can see our insulation pan underneath here. This comes off the boat, off the pod and onto your boat, and then this gets screwed down over the top through the side fittings here. Okay, we do have another video on our website explaining how this is done. Make sure you check that one out. So the large seat pod itself, like I said, the most versatile one in our range because of what it can do and the option it gives you. If you have any further questions, please send a message through or contact us through our website. Thank you.